As new information continues to emerge in the mysterious death of Nolan Wells, investigators and the public are gaining a clearer picture of what may have happened on the day he disappeared and what could happen next in the case. On Wednesday, it was revealed that Wells's parents and their representatives would meet with Mississippi District Attorney Angel Myers McElrath to discuss the next phase of the investigation. The DA confirmed that the case would be presented to a grand jury, a significant development that could determine whether any criminal charges are pursued. As questions continue to grow, attention has increasingly turned toward the actions of the boat operator and the legal responsibilities that come with operating a vessel. Maritime law, which governs activities and incidents that occur on navigable waters, places a strong emphasis on a boat operator's duty of care. This legal obligation requires operators to take reasonable steps to ensure the safety of passengers and those under their supervision. One issue drawing attention is the claim that Nolan Wells remained on Horn Island while the boat departed later that afternoon. Even if Wells voluntarily stayed behind, legal experts note that questions could still arise regarding whether proper precautions were taken before leaving. Reports indicate that Wells' phone was allegedly left on the boat, potentially leaving him without a reliable means of communication. If investigators determine that Wells was knowingly left without access to communication or adequate safety measures, that could become a key factor in evaluating whether negligence occurred. Depending on the findings, authorities could examine whether any laws were violated and whether further legal action is warranted.
Statements and interviews have indicated that alcohol was present among members of the group. Mississippi law sets the legal drinking age at 21, and investigators may consider whether alcohol played any role in the events leading up to Wells' disappearance. Future toxicology results could also become an important part of the investigation. Those findings may help determine whether impairment was a factor and could provide additional context regarding the circumstances surrounding Wells' death. Questions have also been raised regarding Wells' phone. His family previously expressed concerns about how the device became separated from him and reportedly had to locate the phone after the incident. Investigators may examine the timeline involving the phone as they continue to gather evidence and reconstruct events. Recently released GPS data and portions of audio recordings from that day have added new details to the timeline. According to reports, the boat operator stated that approximately 7 people were aboard the vessel. Investigators may continue reviewing vessel records, capacity limits, and other relevant details as part of their broader examination of the case. Meanwhile, public reaction intensified after Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves commented on the investigation. During a public statement, the governor said that based on the information he had seen so far, he had not observed evidence suggesting foul play. Remarks sparked debate online, with some people agreeing that the investigation should be allowed to run its course, while others argued that many important questions remain unanswered. As the grand jury process moves forward and additional evidence becomes available, the Nolan Wells case continues to attract national attention. For now, investigators, legal officials, and the Wells family are awaiting further findings that could shape the next chapter of this ongoing investigation.
All of the facts surrounding the case, I have yet to see a fact or a piece of evidence that suggests any foul play. But if there is, I feel confident that the Sheriff's Office, the District Attorney's Office, the members at the Department of Public Safety that deal with these crimes, if there had been one, they will find it and they will do what is necessary.
During his statement, the governor also acknowledged his close relationship with Sheriff Ledbetter, who is overseeing the investigation. This detail has sparked further discussion among those following the case, with some questioning whether the investigation will be handled with complete transparency. For many supporters of the Justice for Nolan movement, the message is about demanding accountability and ensuring that everyone involved is treated equally under the law. They believe that every unanswered question deserves a thorough investigation and that no individual should be considered above legal scrutiny. Nolan Wells is set to be laid to rest on Monday in Ocean Springs. According to the family's attorney, Benjamin Crump, preliminary autopsy findings are expected to be released shortly afterward, which could provide additional information about the circumstances surrounding Nolan's death. As the investigation continues and new details emerge, many questions remain unanswered. What do you believe happened to Nolan Wells that day? And what are your thoughts on the governor stating that he has not seen any evidence of foul play so far?